Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla here again. Yeah, my people. So, alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk to you about some videos that I saw posted on social media that show some things that happen. Now, when it comes down to confirm information as to exactly where these videos have been recorded, yeah, I don't have any confirm information as to exactly where these videos have been recorded, but they are being talked about on social media. So let me start off by presenting a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a truck was being driven through a flooded area. Now, I got the understanding that this video shows some things that happened at a place that was flooded because of rainfall, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, the video shows at least one motor vehicle that was stuck in the flooded area. I was left in the flooded area. I don't have any confirmed information as to where the video had been recorded, but in the video, you can hear at least one person using Jamaican accent when the person was talking. See? Yeah, the video shows a truck driving through a flooded area. In my point of view, viewers and subscribers, I find that to be very risky, very dangerous for motor vehicles to be driving through certain flooded areas. But the video is being talked about on social media, so let's take a look at it. Oh, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Watch it. What a bombidos, watch it. Watch it. The choking lift up the car a while ago. Watch it. Watch it. Hey, them people are loving us to this, you know. Them people are loving us to this.
But the car no.
The car get lick again, you know? The car get lick again, it'll get lick on the light post. There's a dent. There's a dent, the car dent again. The car dent again. Shit.
You know what? I think I see more videos that shows a situation that is somewhat similar. Might not be exactly the same, but somewhat similar. I think I see more videos like that. You see me? Now, when it comes down to the next video that I'm about to present to you, I want to say big up and respect to at least two persons who you can see in the video, because I got the understanding from the video that there was a motor vehicle that was stuck in a flooded area, viewers and subscribers. That area had been flooded because of rainfall. Yeah, the area had been flooded because of rainfall, and a motor vehicle had been stuck in the flooded area, as you can say. And two persons went in the direction of where the motor vehicle was at, that was stuck in the flooded area. And the video shows when at least one person was carrying someone from the flooded area, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, the person who was being carried seems to be a person of age, or some people might say the person looking like an elder. You understand me? I'm really and truly respect those persons who assisted a person. See? Yeah, the video shows a person who was inside of a motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. So I say, yeah, I would call that situation a rescue. Anyways, let's take a look at the video and then we'll talk some more about it after. You know, the video don't have any audio. Oh, I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Swab one, look. See, so it look, if you look at the motor vehicle, you know, see, it looks like someone was inside of the motor vehicle. See? Look now, you're going to see persons, alright, you see that? Alright, you're going to see persons go towards the motor vehicle, my people. Alright, so there's one person right there, so. See? That's one person right there, so. Look how the water go up to the person's, go up, watch it, person, that the person then need any water by there, so. I see next person there. It says someone being, you see? That's why I consider the situation as a rescue. You see? Alright. Look what I go on. See? See? So me consider this as a rescue of people. You understand? As some me consider it. Oh, the bags full. Hey, that look how we right there, say, my people. The way the person stumble and with the truck there and stuff. Oh, yo, Jano. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for life. Give thanks for life. May I tell you, that look how we right there, some people. So, I want to say big up and respect to those persons who went in the direction of the motor vehicle that was stuck in that flooded area, and for the assistance that, you know, the elderly person got. You know, me say big up and respect to those persons. You see me, that each one help one. And you never know. Remember, you know, man, life is a thing like this, you know, we're young a certain amount of time and then we reach up in a age and so forth. You may never know when you need a favor too. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, here's a video that some of you might find to be interesting. This video is going to show when at least one person took some things from shelves inside of a store and placed them in a type of a bag. Now, you might be surprised to see the things that the person took from those shelves in of yours and subscribers. See? And you know, the video, I'm wondering if that person was working alone because there were other persons within that section of the store that the person did certain things. It really actually look away. But I'm not going to jump to no conclusion. But I like to tell what I think about a situation like this. So I say, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So there's a video right there, people. And if you look at that section of that store right there, see? You can see where there was at least 3 persons. See? Notice of the person, notice those things that the person removed from the shelves. And they had been placed in that bag-like thing that's over. See? Look again. You see that? One person behind the person and one person in front of the person while the person was doing certain things. You know, it make me wonder. Wait. You see? Look, you know. What them things that look like to you, my people? Come in what they look like to me. You might not know what their name, but me know what they look like to me. I don't know familiar to me. You see me ask my people. What an OMG. That's like go. You see my people, so I'm just talking about these videos that I saw posted on social media. You understand me? Some of the information and details about them are not confirmed to my knowledge, but I just saw it go. You know, me also see pictures pertaining to the video that I just show you. You understand? We see pictures as well. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so I'm going to talk about another video that I saw posted on social media, you see? And you know, this video is being talked about on social media for quite a number of reasons. As I say, now some of the information about this video are unconfirmed to my knowledge. So I'm going to say what I know to the most. See, I got the understanding that the video shows a person who had been taken into police custody. See, I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been taken into police custody. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. It is said that the person had been apprehended or captured and tied up before the person had been taken into police custody. Now, that's one of the reasons why I'm talking about the video, is the way the person had been tied up. See? Because the way the person tied up, it really actually look away. And me notice certain words being said in the video, and you know, me see where something like something that someone had done in the video as well to viewers and subscribers. And let me present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and listen to some words said in the video, because the video is not really a long video. You see me I say? And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
But the time like one pig, eh?
You know, forgive me.
Yeah, didn't get to the specific details as to how the person had been captured or apprehended, yes, what may I say? Yeah, but I do got confirmed information that person had been taken into police custody or the person had been arrested. Now, my people, take a look at this stubborn situation. Yes, I call it a stubborn situation, my people. See, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show two motor vehicles in a certain position on a road. I got the understanding that both of those motor vehicles were being operated by two motorists at one point. And then those motor vehicles end up in such a position. Those motor vehicles was not moving. Why those motor vehicles was in such a position? OMG. See? Now, let's make it very clear. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. And when it comes down to a situation like that, who was in the wrong? Or who you think might be more stubborn than who when it comes down to a situation there? Is it the driver for the motor vehicle on the right or the driver for the motor vehicle on the left? You let me know what I think. Oh, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Yes, look at these two drivers here. Right by the Y to go up to St. Joseph. Up on the back road. Nobody don't want to move. The Y11 rush to turn to go on the main road. And the 80 wagon and the ringwood come down the hill here. And two of them in the middle there now, they ain't touching no. But both of them deciding, none of them are moving. And this is where we are right now. Right by the bar, by the Y. Trinidad is not a real place. Trinidad is not a real place. Nobody ain't moving and they ain't touch it. Trinidad is not a real place.
So why?
My country. It's sweet. It's sweet.
That makes sense, sir.
No traffic ain't coming nowhere. No traffic ain't causing yet. It's still flowing.
Yes.
Traffic still flowing.
Yet.
And the adults. And they want to blame the youths.
Yet. So make one police come there now.
All you have to do, hey, all you have to do just move back and let him go. That don't mean nothing.
No, sir. People like them, they fret me by neighbor. No, sir. Can you imagine if you have people like them as a neighbor? Eh? No, sir. Hold on, what I see right there, sir? What me see there, sir? You see that motor vehicle that go pass a while ago, some words on the pallet? Yeah. My people, in my point of view, I think the two of them at fault. Both motorists stubborn in my point of view. Two of them. That's how me look at it. You understand? Why? Eh? Why? Here's where I'm going to leave it, my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.